We're often asked about the benefits of condo insurance and if condo owners really need it. We've prepared this brief video to help you better understand the ins and outs of condo insurance, including how it can protect you in the event of a crisis. It seems that much of the confusion about condo insurance centers around the fact that there's multiple types of condominium insurance. And the first type is the insurance that is a part of your condominium association. For most condominium owners, you automatically became a member of the condominium's association when you purchased your unit. One benefit that this association almost always offers its members is a master insurance policy that covers the common areas of the property, including the garage, lobby, elevators, swimming pool, tennis courts, etc. And it's likely that this master policy also covers the physical structure of your building or unit. And while this type of insurance covers damage to the physical building, such as the walls of the structure itself, more often than not, it does not cover what's inside of the walls of your unit. Understanding this distinction in coverage is important because, let's say, if there was a fire that destroyed your property, it's the master insurance policy that would cover the expense to rebuild the structure of your condominium, including the studs and walls. However, anything inside the walls, such as wall covers, appliances, furniture, tubs, toilets, cabinetry, fixtures, TVs, home computers, your wardrobe, and any structural improvements would be your responsibility to replace or rebuild. This is exactly why a condominium insurance policy is something that all condo owners should consider. Condominium insurance provides coverage for your personal belongings and any structural improvements to property if you are a victim of vandalism, theft, fire, or if your plumbing suddenly burst. And another benefit to condo insurance is the liability aspect. Let's say, for example, that someone slips and falls at your property. Your dog gets loose and bites a neighbor, or you accidentally start a fire and it spreads to your neighbor's unit. In these scenarios, you could be facing lawsuits or be responsible for replacing your neighbor's personal property. For these reasons, the liability component of your condominium insurance can provide important protection against these financial risks. Other questions we commonly get asked are, how do I know what policy I need, and how much coverage should I get? To answer this question, we would first take a look at the master policy already in place. Next, we'll use our industry insights to help you estimate what it would cost to rebuild the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the other fixtures inside the condo. And lastly, we'd ask you to answer this simple question. How much will it cost to replace everything in your home if it were all destroyed or stolen? After taking all three of these things into consideration, we'll have a good idea of the coverage levels needed. Next, you'll want to understand the difference between extended replacement cost and actual cash value for your personal property with extended replacement cost coverage in place. This means that your policy would pay you for the current cost of any item you must replace after a disaster. Without extended replacement coverage, you may only be paid for the cash value of the older or used item after depreciation is taken into account. So let's say you bought a new couch 4 years ago for $1,800. Without extended replacement coverage in place, you would only receive what the couch is worth today, and that would be far less than the original price of $1,800. It's kind of like getting the eBay or Craigslist price for your items, and we all know that's not much. We hope this brief video has helped clear up any misconceptions you may have had regarding condominium insurance. Contact us today so that we can help you make an informed decision when choosing coverage to protect you and your family.